What up, guys? This is Pastor Canav again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about escape character. That's how you don't spell escape, just like that, escape characters. So I'm sure you already saw the in a lot of different languages. Escape characters are the same. So in C Sharp, we're going to talk about a little bit about this, just a basic understanding of that. So we're going to start. We're going to create our variable. So we're going to say stream first, and then we're going to put my name right here, Pastor, and then semicolon, and then we're going to do another variable, string variable. We're going to say last for my last name. We're going to say Canayo, that's my last name. Now right here, right, so we're going to use a escape character right here. We're going to say display name. Let's going to do another string. We're going to say display name equals to, so we're going to say we're going to use a string interpolation. Let's just do dollar sign, double quotes, and then inside we're going to say welcome. And right here we're going to say we're going to use escape character start with the backslash, and then we're going to say and for a new line, and then we're going to say curly brackets, and then right here we're going to pass that first, which is the first name, right? And now right here we're going to use a tab. It's a backslash t. It's going to give you one tab. Oh yeah. And then same thing we're going to do last name over here. Last. Right? And then we're going to print that to our console. Console, that right line. Semicolon, go back inside. We're going to pass that display. We're going to use that display name. And let's run the program. And yep, it should give me the right one. So let's see. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, welcome. That's the new line, right? We just did that. Backslash n. Boom. The next line, and then we have first pastor, and then tab. There is the tab, the space, and the last is just the canayo. Okay, cool. So what about if we wanna add some quotes? So let's just say, for example, welcome, Pastor Canayo. You you are the best, man. So I want are the best to be double quotes. You can tell that doesn't work, right? But we add the backslash at the beginning, boom, and then at the end, we just add another backslash. This should work, right? Let's see. Let's run this program really quick, and then that should give me, yeah, Pastor Canayo, you are the best. So we have that double quotes, boom, that worked. Nice. So now let's create another string, file path equals to, we're going to do double quotes right here. I want to say C drive. Want to do data backslash test.txt. So right here, this string is recognizing as escape character, but for a file path, we gotta add double backslash. So which means we gotta add another one, and that should work fine. Okay, that should work. But in and this is how to say, this is for readability. This is not a great approach to do it. It's best to use add. If we just do add, it will get rid of all the backs, so it wouldn't matter already the escape characters right here, and that should give us the path that we need with any mistakes, right? But anyway, guys, so that was it for these escape characters. Hopefully this helped you out, just a basic understanding of that. but that's what you actually use in the actually programming world. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good night, and I will see you next. Bye.